In this video tutorial, we will see how to create workspaces in RecurPost. Workspaces are extremely useful when you manage multiple clients or work with multiple team members. Workspaces enable you to create spaces for managing different sets of social accounts and libraries, easily distinguish between social accounts of multiple clients by organizing them into different workspaces, and invite team members to manage desired workspaces. In order to create a workspace, head over to the My Workspace tab and click on the drop-down. Here you'll see My Workspace as your default workspace associated with your RecurPost account. And the ones that are highlighted in yellow and stating Owned are the ones that you created either for your clients or to your team members. In order to create a workspace, click on Create button, assign a name to your workspace, and hit the Create button. Next, you'll be asked to select a list of libraries and social accounts that you'd like to assign to this particular workspace. Select the social accounts that you'd like to assign and the libraries. Next, invite the team members who can either view or manage this particular workspace. You can even invite multiple team members or clients. And hit Save. As you can see that in this workspace, we had assigned 3 social accounts and 4 libraries. You can even edit this library by clicking on the Edit icon. And if you do not want any of the team members to view each other's posts, you can turn on the toggle that states Show users only their own posts. Now, let's see what John's workspace looks like. Here, you'll see that I had assigned 2 social profiles and 4 libraries to this particular team member. Viewing Marcus's workspace, next, let's look at how Marcus's account would look like once he logs into his RecurPost account. So, this is Marcus's RecurPost account, and you can see that My Workspace is his default workspace, and this particular workspace that was assigned to Marcus states that this particular workspace is shared with him. Here, he will be able to see the social accounts and libraries that were assigned to him. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. If you have any further queries, do reach out to us on support@recurpost.com. Thank you for watching.